Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. My project title is Edge Tutor, Personalized Learning Platform. This is abstract. Edge Tutor is a personalized learning platform developed using Python Django to provide users with an adaptive educational experience in programming. Upon registering and logging in, users are directed to a personalized dashboard where they can choose from various programming languages like Python, Java or C++. For selected languages, the system presents a set of 5 targeted questions to evaluate the user's current proficiency. Based on the user's performance in the quiz, Edge Tutor generates a customized learning roadmap with recommended topics, resources and exercises. If a user scores well, platform congratulates them, unlock more advanced learning path or project-based activities. This feedback-driven design helps learners progress efficiently according to their skill level. Edge Tutor aims to make learning programming personalized, goal-oriented, and engaging by leveraging Django's dynamic web capabilities. This is the overall flow diagram. Let's see the little modules. First, start the progress and go to the user login. It will check login successful means it will go to the dashboard. If it is no means come back to the user registered. Let's see the output for this module. This one is the login page. Let's check with this user and password. And login. It's not a please enter a correct username password. So if you don't have account, register. So username and password. Enter the same password and then register. Registration successful. It go to the login page. Check it with the login, password and login. Come back to our dashboard. This is the output for the first module. The second module is in the dashboard show the programming language. Each has the 5 questions. If they score the passing score, it will move on to the generate roadmap. So up to this is the second module. Let's see the output for the second module. This is the dashboard. Here what are the seen in the flow diagram. That's the way the programming language is shown. So click on the Python. It will show the quizzes. Let attempt this. String to converter is I enter random things. And then which statement exit and then .py and this one. And here it's used to read submit quiz. So 3 by 5. So this is the year quiz report. If you want to attend other things, go to the dashboard. See the PHP. It have also the some questions. If don't want to attend this quiz, quit the quiz. Likewise, you have some options. In the result, it will show the your already attempted quizzes. In the third module, based on your score, you will be categorized as intermediate and beginner and expertise. Based on that, it will generate and show the roadmap. If you complete all the roadmap using our generated one, it will congratulate you. And then if you want to log out, log out. This is the third module. Let's see the output for this one. See here, it have options like view roadmap. So click on that. You have logged in. Quiz submitted. You have scored 3 out of 5. Now your estimated level is intermediate. So it will, based on that, it will show the certain concept. Oops, concept and decorator concept and generator and generator and iterators and content managers and advanced data, regular expressions, and then web scraping. Some many intermediate concept it will show. If you want to read all the things, you click on this, it will be marked as completed. So once you finish all the things, it will, your expertise in this Python mediator. So again go to the back to the language, means again go to the language. If you don't know, if you have to log out, finally it come back to our login page. Thank you.